Babe, are you hungry? Say yeah!
Oh no, she got me. That's too much. That's too much. Stop kissing me. Why are you doing this? Why? Ah! Nom. Nom, 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 nom. I pin.
When a kitty drinks too much milk.
What color was she before?
Spit it out. Spit it out.
Did you change your mind? Would you like to come inside? It's all snowy. Do you want to come in? Do you want to come in? Come inside. Come in. Come in. Good girl.
Oh, you great. You gotta need to. Oh.
Hey, mate. You alright? Take that as a no.
Dude, you're 14 years old. Grow up. Stop playing with a charging box. What are you doing?
You know why dogs are better than cats? Because a cat will try to bite your hand off if you accidentally touch it in the exact But you could smack a dog in the nose and they're like, do you want to play frisbee?
I gave my dog my plate with spicy spaghetti, and he regrets his life decisions.
Why is it spicy?
Why is she yelling?
He's so upset.
My cat's face when we bring home another cat.